I think I see something already. I can only see shape, but it looks like a pipe.
Can't be that lucky.
See this dip? Right between this big tree and the next one?
Let's take a look. What are you looking at?
Over here. Big oil can or something. Ugh, fuck! That's an old gas can. It's got the spout on it and everything, and the cap.
Yeah, that's old. That is old.
But it's fucking, the roots have overtaken it on this side. I got a bit of a flat spot over here. Ugh. There we go. This is better. Big flat in here. This looks like it's been washed. Holy cow. Whereabouts are you? I think they utilize the fucking terrain here. And I followed this wash all the way down. Just up there, there's a huge iron rock. Massive. And then just over here, it's almost like they piled up dirt to direct the water to come back this way. But like just up there, 30, 50 feet is a huge boulder just full of iron. This is the rock. Just massive color. And it's literally like 50 feet right up here. And this is all funneled from the top all the way down.
So they probably found the rocks and try to wash what was around it.
Another big flat right below us, eh?
Maybe, I can't really see too well.
Right down there, I can see a big flat. Anything down there?
Three big wash areas.
Same over here. The trail goes right down to the creek.
Yeah, this one, yeah, the two washed up and go down, but most definitely been washed out. Probably better go your way than go that way.
There's a huge beach down here, massive.
What?
A big area, big beach.
Now, like, see, right here, this is an obvious trench. And it comes behind around the cedar and it runs off. And then over there, there's two big washes where they washed it out. Trying to remind me, I keep thinking we got all the signs here and stuff garbage, but
Yep.
look how difficult it was to find the wheel.
Yep. impressive down here. We got to come back here with our pans. And it's almost like they built steps there too. There's a flat up top. You should probably swim across and check it out. Like, look at this rock, how the little rocks have all been bonded together here. Yeah, it is. I took a bunch of pictures of it on where we just were. Look, this is just amazing rock. It's like concrete.
Or you can just go right back.
Don't forget me. Fuck, that don't look good over there even. Yeah, up there. That doesn't look good either. That's cliffing right out. I think we got to go up and around it. Yep. I think we almost got to go that way a bit.
I was here before.
As you say, the ribbon right here.
Yeah, I literally looked at this stump. I walked over outwards a bit.
There's nothing about this that looks good.
Nope.
See, look how steep it is here already.
Yeah.
Where we're at. Up there it gets flat.
And then
It gets steeper when you get to the ravine.
yeah.
I don't think we're going to be able to go down.